Good day ladies and gents, it's your boy JefTV, and today I'm gonna take you to a spot where you can drive your beautiful beast. So, where are we going today? Today, my friend, we are going to Stonecutter Bridge. Not the actual bridge itself, but somewhere below it. And it's also known as Container Terminal No.8, also known as Pat Ho Chai. I don't know if there's other term for it in Cantonese, but that's what I hear people say. So yeah, if you happen to be wondering where you can drive your bike or your car, this is one of the spots you can take it to. And right now, I'm going to meet up with a friend who owns an R6, and it's a beautiful R6. When he got the bike, it was somewhat a neon green looking bike, but he took the time to spray painted the fairings of the bike, and now it's like blacked out. So stay tuned and find out how it looked like. What's up, man? So here you go, guys, blacked out R6. He painted this himself, so if you need some painting advice, just go find Rinder. Blacked out R6.
Paint you up real good.
Stonecutters, here we go. Woo! So, if you guys haven't been to Stonecutters yet, I highly recommend you go here. It's because a lot of bikers go here. Usually they would come around nighttime. I don't know specifically what time, but go ahead and check it out yourself. Ooh, they fixed the road. Wow. Blacked out R6. Check it out, man, that looks sexy. Just note that if you happen to drive around here, just be careful with these big and large, nice and long trucks, because these trucks, they have a lot of blind spots, so make sure you drive really safe. Containers are over there, and all you gotta do is head all the way to the end of the bridge. As soon as you reach at the last roundabout, there's this turn that you have to take in order to get to the end of the bridge. I'm gonna say the end of the bridge is the viewpoint. Yeah, there you go. The viewpoint of the Stonecutter Bridge. Alright, so this is the last roundabout. Okay. And here, you gotta go in here. And at the end here, you're gonna see the viewpoint of Stonecutters. And by the way, guys, I recently reached 1K subscribers in my channel. Thank you all for subscribing. I couldn't be more happier. We're almost there, guys, we're almost there. Can't remember when's the last time I've been here. What's up, homie? Oh, that's dope. Okay, taking some photo shoot. Here we are, guys, Stonecutters. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope I helped you find out what your next trip will be. And that is the Stonecutter Bridge. Till next time, guys. Peace.